Hey guys, Kaden here and welcome back to a new video. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. Guys, if you're new, please just go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up and leave all your comments. If you want to see how I achieve this green smoky eye look, then just keep on watching. I'm just gonna go and jump straight into it. So I'm going to use two palettes to create this look and a regular black gel liner. So first I'm going to go in with the Morphe. First I'm going to go in with the Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm going to use 3 shades from that palette. So first I'm going to pat that brown shade in the crease and then blend it out with the next 2 shades to get rid of that harsh line or the harsh edges. So after adding those shades, I'm going to go in with the gel liner. It has no name, it's just a black gel liner, and I'm going to use that to place all over my lid, and then go into the Subculture palette from Anastasia and use the bottom, that green shade in the bottom row. So I'm just gonna go ahead, pack it all over the black, and then use it and blend out the edges, blending it into the, and just blend it into the other shadows. Next, I'll go in with the alpha tool. What's wrong with me today? I can't talk. So next, I'm going to go in with the elf liquid liner in jet black and use that to create a little wing, nothing too dramatic, just a wing, and then go in with some mink lashes to finish up the eye look. For primer, I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild matte primer, and I'm going to place that all over my face, and then go in with my 2 foundations, which is the CoverGirl Trublend foundation, and I'll be using the shade D70 and D15 to get my perfect shade, and then just blend that out. So blending is key, so I'm going to blend it to perfection and then go in with my concealers to highlight. The shade that I use to highlight will be the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Fawn, and then I'm gonna go in and put a tad bit of the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Tan Sand underneath my eye, and then I'm gonna blend again to perfection so that my base is flawless and smooth. I'll be using the Black Radiance Banana Powder to set my highlighted areas. So I'll just bake a little bit and then I'll just dust it off. I won't bake for too long, maybe like 1 minute or so, and then dust it off. I know it looks a little ashy on camera, but as soon as I set my face, then everything will just come into play. So I'm going in with the Black Radiance powder and I'm using that dark shade in the shade in Coffee to contour my face. Look at my face, it looks so airbrushed. It is so flawless. It looks so smooth. Don't mind my baby girl. Look at her makeup. She did. She brings so much joy to my heart. I'm going to go ahead and set my face using my Revitalizing Rose Mist. So everything is going to be set in place and you're going to see that the ashiness just disappears. And then I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter and use that to highlight my face, which is the ice parts of my cheek, under my chin, down the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, and also the center of my forehead. I'm going to use that same highlighter on my brow bone and also in my tear duct. I'm just going to go in with a brown liner and line my lips, and then go in with the MAC lip stain and place that all over my lips, and yeah. I'm going to now finish off my eyes using the shades that I used as my transition shade from the Morphe 3502 palette, and finish up my eyes. Add my mascara, remove my headband, and then here you go, guys. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe, and also share this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.